Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y17S and let me show you how to clear browsing data. First of all, open the browser that you are using. Now, let me do it one more time. Now select more icon and click on delete browsing data. And here you've got some basic options so you can perform a full cleanup, quick cleanup, but if you would like to perform it fully, just mark more options, and now you can customize it in every detail. So you can mark also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. Obviously mark whatever you want to remove. If, for example, you want to stay with your autofill from data, just unmark it. But let me perform a full cleanup, then choose the time range so you can remove history from past hour, past day, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time, however you prefer, and then just mark the data. Confirm. And that's it. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.